I've discovered you like Bailey's, because that was gone first. So next year we'll just bring a case of that and be good.
I'm just gonna compile all of those faces into one video. That's definitely going in the vlog. This will make you look really dominant. This angle.
With respect to people next to you, it's gonna be slippery.
Great. Wow, work it, girl. Work that sign. Work it. You gotta take the mic.
No.
You gotta take it. Take it.
No.
Take it or it's going in the bloopers.
Don't.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why do you volunteer with Lucky Dog?
Right now I'm looking for 100 puppies. Have you seen 100 puppies?
Spoiled.
Rachel did.